everyone to Griffith Observatory. So we're here today, guys, hiking. Nice weather today, cool. The breeze is cool, and it's nice to be out here again and get some fresh air and start to hike again, guys. And it's just nice day today to do hiking. Not a lot of people here today, guys, but medyo foggy today, so we need to stay back in your feet and start hiking or exercising, guys. You know, you have to take care of yourself and stay healthy. See, look, foggy ngayon, super foggy. So we walk almost a mile, 0.77 miles. Galing kami sa parking lot from the bottom on the parking area up to here. And yeah, for 22 minutes. So we're gonna go that way to hike down in the parking lot, guys. Yep, come here and exercise here, hiking. Ayun na, observatory, and we're not going up there, so far away. So thank you guys so much for watching. I see you guys around. Cold breeze. So we come this way para medyo mahaba yung hiking namin. So we hike 1 mile already. I have my Fitbit, my Apple Watch timer for hiking. So very nice today. Not so many people hiking. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you've not been here, come check it out. Griffith Observatory in Los Angeles. If you like hiking, this is the place for you. But Griffith, the museum, is not open. But you can still hike here, and you can still go over there to see the view. But today is very foggy. You cannot even see the downtown because it's too much fog. Yes, nice today, cool. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So we're going back down. Alright, guys, so look at this big tree here at Griffith. Super malaki siya, grabe, ganda dito mag-hike. So punta na kayo dito, guys, mag-hike kayo sa Griffith Observatory. So hanggang dito na lang, guys, ang aking vlog. Sana nagustuhan nyo, at huwag mong kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking channel. And thank you for your support, and makita-kita tayo again next time. Merry Christmas, everyone, and bye, see you around. Beautiful view, cool air, nice. Bye, guys, see you next time.